Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use Nectar card at Sainsbury's. So all you need to do is basically to use your Nectar card. You'll need, of course, to earn points, to get discount, and to spend points on shopping. So what you'll have to do, first of all, once you go at Sainsbury's, you'll need to shop normally as you do. Get your items, browse through the store, and get whatever you want. Then once you are at the checkout, make sure that your phone is opened and ready to be scanned. So what you'll need to do, as checkout, you'll need to scan your barcode, or if you're of course doing it manually, if you are at a cashier or with the cashier, just give him the phone and he will scan it for you. Tell him that you have your cashier or Nectar app with the QR code or barcode and tell him to scan it. Of course, you have both options. You have QR code and a barcode. So choose whatever suits you and whatever you want. If none is not working, you can try the other one. And make sure to scan it if you're doing it manually, or if you're giving it to the cashier, make sure to tell them before paying. You'll have to do this before payment. And if you do that before payment, you will earn money or points normally automatically inside your app. Points are added after purchase. Once you purchase, of course, it will be added, but you'll have to scan before purchase though. So you don't need to do anything extra. If you want to use the points, if you again do it manually, at the checkout you'll find use your points option. If you're as a cashier, just tell them you want to use your points, and the points should reduce your total money. So you can open the application whenever you want, of course, and you'll be able to see how much points do you have and how much it's worth at least. Some important notes, make sure to basically scan anything to get the points before you pay. And if you didn't scan, you're not getting any points. And if the barcode is not scanning or the QR code is not scanning, make sure to increase the brightness of your phone. And yeah, that's basically should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.